Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Neighborly Homestead. My name is Tim. If you haven't been here before, we're in the shop again today, trying to get this new maple arch that we're building finished up. And I will show you here what we got done so far, and then trying to get the back end of it finished, get the chimney box and stuff made for it. And then we're got to go on to finishing the doors up and get some latches made. So, cut a hole on the side. That is for the drain plug for the drop flue. That way I'll be able to put a pipe on that, run that out the side with a ball valve so I can drain the flue pan. I'm just going to use some super high heat silicone caulk to go around that hole, seal it up, plus I'll have the insulation around it. The other thing I did, kind of hard to see, put this plate in. Put that plate in. Apologize for the background noise. The oxygen tank is blowing off. Got lathe running in the background. A couple guys here cleaning for the day. But I welded these little stop blocks in the bottom. You see them both in there. And then under here and up here, there's a couple little angle iron tabs that I welded in the side just to help hold this up. I am not going to weld this plate in. I figure that plate's going to have 2 inches of insulation sitting on it. I'm not going to worry about attaching it. That way, if it doesn't work the way I want it to, I can always just peel the insulation back and try something different if I have to. So, but as you can see, that ramps up. It's just going to hopefully help to direct the flow to the box back here where the chimney's going to be. So now what I'm going to try to do is get my plates cut and my height figured out for my chimney box, my base stack, whatever you want to call it. So we'll get that figured out and I'll bring you back and show you what we get. Alright guys, this is where we're at currently. So I found a piece of steel tubing, got it machined to fit my double wall short telescoping pipe. That is Intertech 6-inch double wall telescoping pipe. That is tacked up. Right now I'm trying to, I gotta do some measuring, probably gonna tack something across there to hold that together, to use that to trace out the panels that I need for that. This is extremely tricky, getting this thing lined up and where I wanted it leveled. Kind of crazy, but all that just for smoke. I just want it to look good. Alright guys, so we're back. We've got the box for the chimney welded up, and right now I'm going to get it welded on the back of the arch, and then once it's on there I'm probably going to go up and down these corners with some angle iron just to kind of frame it in like the rest of the arch. Stuff kind of match that way. I kind of like things uniform. So yeah, I'll get this welded on, or at least tacked on. I'll put the chimney piece up on there so you guys can get the, see what it looks like and get the full effect. Alright, we got that chimney box all welded up. I'll back up here so you can see the whole thing. I'll show it to you, and then I'll put the pans on it. So I did weld it all the way across at that angle there. These plates here are welded to these sheet metal plates from the inside, and then I welded this all here. It's welded all across the back. Pipes welded all the way around. I just plasmaed as close as I could around the inside of that. Now you see a couple bolts down in there. Those are to hang my insulation on. So I won't be fighting with trying to keep that up in there. I did that on my last arch, my oil tank arch. It actually worked really well. So weld it all the way around. Put the plate down in there for the ramp. Welded a couple bolts on both sides in here. Alright, let me set the pans on and we'll get the whole effect here. So I put the pans on. Now you can kind of get the full effect. This warming pan is kind of backwards from what I really would want. It'd be nice if this port was over here, but we're going to run it like that and see if it works. See the hole in there for the drain. Pretty much now, all I got to do is the latches on the doors. Finish putting some bolts on the inside. Figure out what I'm doing with the fire brick, holding that in. And then we're ready for insulation. So thanks for sticking around. Sorry I didn't get a lot of footage of the actual work getting done, just showing you what we got as we did it. But appreciate you watching. We'll catch you later.